again, it's Kathy. Wonderful for you to join me today. And today's video is going to be all about the Kylie Jenner Holiday Try It Kit for 2019. And before we begin, if you're new to my channel, welcome aboard, and I'd appreciate a big thumbs up and a subscribe button below, plus the little bell so you'll be notified. And you know what, I appreciate your comments below too about this Kylie Cosmetics Try It Kit and what your experience is. I've been just barely, dipping my foot into the Kylie Cosmetics pond, and I just did a video on their lippies for the holiday, and now I'm doing one on her Holiday Try It Kit. So let's jump on board, and wow, here we are. This is $49, and it has 5 items. So here they are. Really pretty presentation. I'm really loving it. And this one, look at this. It has all the beautiful colorations, just like the lippy. It has the glitter on it, and on the back it shows what you've got in here. So this is $49, and if you look around, you might get it on sale. So just kind of keep your eyes open. So as I said, here it is. Look at this. Really pretty stuff here. So let's jump on and let's see what we've got here. First up, we've got, let me see if I can pop it out of the, this is a really nice, matte lipstick, and called Almost Friday. Look at that. Look at the packaging here. Really pretty. Really nice. It says Kylie Jenner on it. Nice size. Here's the lippies that were in the previous video, and you'll see it in there. But you can see the difference on this. And has a nice roll up, and look at that color. Almost Friday. So let's do a swatch. Ooh. Goes on really nice. It's a nice little, matte color, kind of a bronzy brick. Really nice. This is something I would definitely wear. Even though it looks different on, the actual tube, I think this is something that'd be really cute. Then next up I have here is the blush, and it's called We're Going Shopping. There's the packaging, nice plastic. It has the label on the back, and let's open it up. Wow, it has her signature. It has a nice mirror, and look at that. It has it imprinted with her, signature dripping, it's really nice, really beautiful. And let's go and do a swatch. Ooh, look at that. And this is a blush, mind you. So let me put this on. That's a nice coral. Look at that. It's not over the top. I really think you could build this up, and I think this would be really pretty on most skin tones. So then I have our velvet lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color Bare. B-A-R-E, right here you are. And woo, look at that. And then let's do a swatch. Ooh, that's nice. Really pretty. Look at that. Kind of liking it. Kind of liking it. So then, to pair off on those two, the liquid lipstick and the actual matte lipstick, you've got a lip liner in the color Latte, which is right here. And here's the presentation that they have right here. Look at this. It's just all pink. And then, let's see. This is one of those ones where you have to sharpen, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. And ooh, look at that. Goes nice. And it's a really pretty matte color. Look at that. It's really a latte color. I'm just really enjoying this. And you know what? I'm not smelling any scents or aromas out of it. I think this is really pretty. And then the last thing we have is a pressed powder duo. And this is one of those that has like the split pan. One side is one color and then another. This one has quartz and topaz are the two colors. And here you go. Look at that. Hope you can see it. Really nice. These are beautiful, iconic Kylie Jenner colors. I think they're high quality. They're swatching beautiful. And these are colors that are very, friendly to everybody. And I think this would be a great gift. Even if you sit there and you separate it out and give somebody, a girlfriend or yourself, or even, your nail lady or whoever it is, or that special friend of yours, I think this would be a great gift, whether you keep it together or you separate it out. And you know what? This is a great introduction to all of her, types of, things that she has in her line and her brand. I'm really enjoying this. And this is the second, shopping trip I've had, for Kylie Cosmetics. And you know what? I think it's really cool. So just kind of pairing that with the lippies right here. This would be a phenomenal present for somebody, especially that makeup diva that there are out there. I think they would be fabulous. Hang on one sec. Gee, I'm just being a slippery fingered here today. So anyways, as I said, this with this package would be really phenomenal. And I think it would be great gifts, and you can just, just kind of check off your list of all the people. And I think they'd be really cool. And just want to let you know that these really stay on. On my prior video, I put them on the back of my hand. I couldn't wash them off. So I had to use makeup remover to get them off. So that tells you how much they are once they dry, they are stayed on and no transfer whatsoever. So just kind of be knowing about that, and just want to give you that disclaimer out there. So if you think that you're just going to have a lip gloss, these are 24-hour or long day, and they dry and they will stain. So anyways, I hope you like this video. I think this is a really nice kit. I'm going to be trying all of them. I think it'd be great, something for, putting on get ready with me. And you know what? This is as I said, I picked this up on my own. This is not a sponsored video, and this is my opinion. So anyways, you have a fabulous one. Let me know how your thoughts on Kylie Cosmetics and this kit, or any other items you have from Kylie, and I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below, and see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.